although Duolingo's stock has taken a nosedive, in no small part due to backlash against its seemingly breakneck pace of AI adoption at the expense of humans. The fact is, AI is here to stay whether you like it or not. Along with its growth being driven by a 36% year-over-year increase in daily active users, DAU, which now exceed 50 million, and a 22.2 million rise in monthly active users, reaching 135.3 million. It also saw a 34% growth in paid subscribers, bringing the total to 11.5 million, thanks to the success of new AI features and marketing strategies. As a result, Duolingo reported strong third-quarter results, surpassing market expectations. Revenue reached $271.7 million, up 41.1% year-over-year, beating analyst estimates of $260.6 million. CEO Luis von Ahn highlighted that Duolingo has found a way to make AI profitable with the addition of generative AI features in the Duolingo Max subscription tier, contributing to revenue growth. Despite a lower profit margin of 72.5%, profit exceeded analysts' expectations of 71.4%, since its freemium model continues to convert free users into paying subscribers, with AI-powered features reportedly playing a key role. Duolingo's partnership with Luckin Coffee in China helped boost its user base significantly, with over 26,000 stores selling Duolingo-branded drinks, leading to more than 10 million drinks sold and a surge in users. Showing how Duolingo still has a knack for viral, cost-effective marketing campaigns. In addition to revenue growth, Duolingo made several product updates during its DuoCon 2025 event. It integrated its platform with LinkedIn, allowing users to display their Duolingo score, which reflects their language proficiency. Similarly, its chess course moved its conquest to Android devices in 6 languages, after initially only being available on iOS, while also introducing a player versus player mode with plans for further updates. The Duolingo chess course, which teaches strategy through puzzles guided by an in-app character named Oscar, has attracted millions of daily users since its launch. The platform also enhanced its AI-powered video call feature, enabling Max subscribers to practice conversations with AI characters across 9 language courses, with post-call reviews and onboarding support. Duolingo now offers over 250 course combinations across languages, math, music, and chess, maintaining its position as the most downloaded educational app globally. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.